I am coming with new things. It's useful in our life. So as you know that fire extinguishers are used to put out small fires. So let's experiment to find out that how fire extinguishers work. So for this experiment we will need beaker and some water, 1 cup, 1 candle, 1 blue color, baking soda, citric acid, spoon and a lighter. Let's put a candle in the cup. Let's light the candle. Let's put a spoon of citric acid in beaker. Take a color of your choice. I am taking blue. Mix the water. Put some baking soda. Take the beaker. The fire extinguished. When you tilted the beaker, you are pouring CO2 gas onto the candle. When you tilt the beaker, don't let the solution spill out. Only CO2 gas onto the candle. The science behind this is the carbon dioxide weighs more than air, so it pushed the oxygen molecules out of the way. Bye-bye.